1. Connecting to SPOTTY. In the box, you will find SPOTTY and 2 USB-C cables, short and long. Remove the protection film on SPOTTY's camera lens. Try not to leave any fingerprints on the camera lens. Grab SPOTTY's head and pull it all the way up until you hear a soft clicking sound. Place your device on the base and secure it onto SPOTTY with the bow tie. SPOTTY comes with 2 USB-C cables, but you may need to use another USB cable type if your device is not compatible with USB-C. Connect your device with the USB cable. Press the power button for 3 seconds until the light turns white. 2. Verifying the book. Original purchased copies of books need to be verified with a QR code before use. Scan the QR code from the book cover by putting it underneath SPOTTY's camera. If SPOTTY is unable to read your QR code, enter the product key written under the QR code. 3. Playing the book. Open the ARpedia app. Place the cover of the book in front of SPOTTY. The contents will automatically start on the screen. While the book is being loaded, make sure you have all the markers with you. Skip the inner page and go to page 2 of the book. The digital contents will start from here. Remember to press the book flat. Various interactive effects will appear on each page. Move on to the next page when you see the turn page mark on the bottom right-hand corner. To play another book, go to Play Another Book in the menu navigation. 4. Using the markers. Place the markers over the guided line to interact with marker activities. Try not to cover the marker with your hand. Hold the handle of the marker and place the marker on the right place. You can create extra copies of the coloring marker template on your own to use later. You can color in the coloring marker any way you want. Place the coloring marker over the guided line. Press the button to add your work to the screen. Ta-da! Look at how my coloring marker transforms on the screen. When finished, store the markers in the pocket at the back of each book. 5. Setting up your profile picture. To add or change your profile picture, go to Profile in the menu navigation. Make sure the face fully fits into the circle. Are you ready to read the real world?